The rise of artificial intelligence is poised to redefine over 85 million jobs by 2025. But the real question is, are you ready for the AI revolution? AI isn't just changing industries, it's rewriting the very fabric of the workplace. From marketing and design to engineering and customer service, AI's influence is inevitable. In this video, we're unlocking the 9 essential skills you need right now to not only survive, but thrive in this AI-driven era. These aren't just technical skills, they're the human strengths that bridge the gap between creativity and machine efficiency. Stay until the end because we'll reveal the #1 skill that AI simply can't replicate, the one that could give you an unbeatable edge in any career. Let's dive right in, starting with digital minimalism. In a world flooded with AI-powered tools, it's tempting to let machines do it all. But here's the catch. Over-reliance risks dulling your unique abilities. Digital minimalism is all about balance, knowing when to let AI handle tasks like data analysis while using your creativity and critical thinking for strategic decisions. Next up is AI literacy. Understanding how AI works, machine learning, NLP, computer vision, is no longer optional. These foundational skills enable you to grasp AI's true potential and limitations. Plus, being AI literate lets you communicate seamlessly with technical teams, turning complex jargon into actionable strategies. But AI literacy alone isn't enough. You also need AI collaboration superpowers. Treat AI not as a competitor, but as a teammate. Imagine a project manager using AI assistants on platforms like Monday.com to boost productivity. The key is integrating AI across workflows while maintaining human judgment for critical decisions. Data analysis and visualization is another game changer. Data is the fuel of AI, and those who can interpret it will lead. Mastering tools like Tableau, Python, and Power BI allows you to transform raw data into compelling stories that drive smart business decisions. But what happens when AI systems fail? That's where AI troubleshooting and maintenance come in. This vital skill ensures AI models perform reliably by identifying and fixing issues like bias and performance degradation, which is essential in sectors like healthcare and finance. Yet AI alone can't connect the dots across disciplines. That's where strategic and cross-disciplinary thinking shines. This skill helps you merge insights from fields like medicine and data science for breakthroughs, or combine engineering with AI for cutting-edge designs. Alongside this, adaptability and intellectual curiosity are must-haves. As AI evolves, being adaptable lets you keep pace with rapid changes, while curiosity pushes you to question AI outputs and discover hidden insights. But even with all these technical skills, human-centered skills like empathy, emotional intelligence, and cognitive resilience remain irreplaceable. These psychological strengths foster trust, inspire innovation, and ensure that AI complements human connections. Finally, we have prompt engineering, the ability to craft precise instructions for AI systems like ChatGPT or DALL-E. This bridges human creativity with machine output, making it crucial for writers, designers, and analysts. Mastering prompt engineering means experimenting with different commands, learning from experts, and refining prompts for optimal AI performance. There you have it, 9 essential skills. Form your roadmap for success in the AI-driven world. Remember, while AI transforms the world, it's the human touch that defines its impact. So, what do you think? Which skill will you master first? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more insights on how to stay ahead in the AI revolution. Thanks for watching AI Decoded.